Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the show. Today, I want to talk about accountability in the justice system and how we can achieve it without creating chaos. I recently wrote a piece arguing that every jury in America should feel diverse by law and be diverse by law. It felt like the right idea originally at first hand, morally, socially, and practically, but after taking a closer look at the Constitution, I realized something, which was that it would not hold up because the Sixth Amendment locks juries to the district where the crime occurred, and not only that, any attempt at racial quotas would have collapsed under equal protection challenges almost immediately. So I brought myself to ask the question, if the solution can't come through juries, where is the real leak in the system? And the answer turned out to be the Bar Association. It's supposed to be the institution that keeps everyone else honest, from judges to prosecutors to defense attorneys. But it's grown rather comfortable than accountable. And let's be clear, the bar holds incredible power and almost no transparency, right? Judges hand out wildly different sentences for similar crimes, and the bar stays silent, and we see it every day. Prosecutors hide evidence, silence again. Public defenders drown in hundreds of cases, and still silence, right? So it goes from negligence to dangerous now because the public starts to lose faith in the very system that's meant to protect them, right? So I started thinking maybe the answer isn't diversity laws, but transparency laws, right? Imagine if every judge's sentencing record was tracked and analyzed, not for public shaming, but to identify patterns, right? Because we cannot prove bias by math alone, and we know that, but we can see red flags. If one judge gives black defendants 20-year sentences and white defendants 12 for the same offense type, that deserves a review. So essentially, bias should not be an accusation. It should be an investigation, right? Now, let's address the obvious issue, well, at least one that I feel is obvious, which is safety. You cannot just post names and numbers online and expect it to go well because we have mentally deranged people who can't twist data and others could react violently, right? So it goes from accountability to chaos, and that's not what we want. That's not what we encourage. So here's the balance, right? We publish aggregate data using coded identifiers and allowing independent panels, not social media, to review the raw records. If a clear pattern of bias turns into misconduct, then it should become public. And that's what I call structured sunlight, light that exposes the truth without burning down the system.